So I'm in the midst of filming my makeup videos for my Amanda Ramsay beauty boxes, which I've specifically carefully curated just for women over the age of 40, over 50, over 60 and beyond. And I was waiting because this thing appeared on my face and I was waiting for it to disappear, but the fact is, if you wait for everything to be perfect, you never get cracking, right? So this is the result of trying a new skincare product last week, and clearly my skin did not like it at all because I've had this, it's almost like cystic acne breakout and spots everywhere, so boo-hoo. I'd be pretty cranky actually if I'd paid the $68 the retail value of the product. I was lucky enough for it to be sent to me, hence I won't be talking about it because it did that and did nothing that it said it was going to do. So you'll only ever find me talking about products that I genuinely use, that I've tried, tested, used on other women as well as myself, and hands down authentically love, right? It takes a long time for a product to get into my love department, and that's what these beauty boxes are really all about. For the last 2.5 years, I have 100% worked with women over the age of 40. I've literally worked with thousands of women over the age of 40, as well as being a professional makeup artist for 15 years as well. Well, it's almost 16 years now. So I've really carefully figured out which products are universally flattering, also provide really good skin nurturing ingredients, which are perfect for women over the age of 40. So there's going to be 3 boxes. There'll be your specific box for women over the age of 40, your specific box for women over the age of 50, and a specific box for women over the age of 60. They're the same series of products, your essential 5 products for looking polished and pulled together fast. It's sort of the core foundations of a 5-minute makeup, your kind of must-haves. A little makeup capsule, let's call it, a little makeup capsule wardrobe. The only thing that changes over the 3 products is the shades. So I've adjusted the color shades a little bit that are more specific to women over 40, 50 or 60. Anyway, that's what's happening here with my friend. So I hope you're all having a beautiful day. And yeah, keep rocking on, girls. Keep shining bright. Bye, y'all.